you how to speak Spanish. What do you say? Sure, why not? I like it. Thank you very much, Rocky. I like it so much. Mm-mm. Oh, thank you very much. Oh, why you sleepy? Why did you delete yan, Abdullah?
Taas yung kuwan mo buko.
Okay rin eh. No? Why you delete your message, guys? Oh, what first you teach me, Rocky? My feet. Oh, what happened? What happened to your feet, Sadigi?